So what is a pressure regulating valve?
A pressure regulating valve is a device that we install on the water system in order to control the pressure supplied to the home.
Where is that located on the system?
Most commonly, we find them in a valve box in the front flower bed of a home alongside the home's main shutoff valve. Not the one at the street, the one personally for the home.
What does that actually look like?
In most cases, it is a single green lid about 10 inches round. When we go back and replace one, we use a larger 18 by 12 box.
So when the pressure reducing valve goes bad, how do I know that it's going bad?
There are a couple symptoms that we note inside the home. One is you will get a hammering when water is run inside the home. The other is you will get a sudden spike in water pressure. And the third is you will get a sudden drop in water pressure.
How long does a pressure reducing valve normally last?
Really depends on how it's installed, where it's installed, and who the manufacturer is, but typically we see a lifespan of 8 to 12 years.
Are they required everywhere? Does every home have one of those?
No, it depends mostly on your municipality and the water pressure they are supplying to your house and how they interpret plumbing codes.
So when a pressure reducing valve is installed, do I need an expansion tank on my water heater?
Yes. A pressure regulating valve creates what we call a closed loop system. And by plumbing code, any closed loop system requires a thermal expansion tank.
So can I just adjust my pressure regulating valve if my pressure starts to be either too low or too high?
The ability to adjust a regulating valve, yes. Whether you should or not is the other question.
How do you adjust it? And how do you know if it's okay to adjust or not?
So on our pressure regulating valves, we have a dial at the top indicated lowering your water pressure or raising your water pressure depending on how you twist the dial. On other pressure regulating valves, you have a bolt with a lock nut. You will loosen the lock nut and loosen or tighten the bolt to raise or lower the water pressure.
Hi, I'm Theron Young, president of Legacy Plumbing. I hope you liked the video that we made for you. If it was valuable or helpful, please do us a favor and let us know by hitting the subscribe button. We'd love to know that we're making a positive impact in others' lives and projects. If you didn't see what you were looking for here, check out our other great resources on our website. It may be just what you need to get your project started right.